Hey, what's up guys? My name is Alex Chung and today we're talking about Black Friday deals. With the holiday season coming up around the corner, I thought I'd give you guys a list of top 7 things that are on sale on Amazon. Everything that I'm going to be talking about today is in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. First up is a 24-inch curved monitor from Samsung that comes in at just $129. The curved screen on this display gives you an incredible immersive viewing experience as you're watching movies, playing games, or doing video editing. If you haven't seen one of these things in person, I highly suggest that you go out and see for yourself. It really feels like the screen is wrapping around your face as you're using it. However, you can't watch a movie without a good pair of headphones. So next we have a pair of wired headphones from Bose that is on sale for $179, which gives you over $100 on savings. Bose is known to make headphones with exceptional sound quality, and this one is no different. You can plug it into your computer or your phone. But if you're like me and your phone doesn't have a headphone jack anymore, Sony has come to the rescue with a pair of wireless headphones that costs $128. These Bluetooth headphones will give you what they call extra bass technology and will last up to 18 hours on battery. Speaking of battery, next we have a 13,000 milliamp power bank from Anker that costs just under 24 bucks. If you're constantly on the go and you don't have access to a wall outlet, this is the next best thing. It will give you 3 to 4 full charges on your phone and is small enough to fit inside your pocket. Switching over to the camera department, we have 2 cameras on sale. The first is Canon's T6 DSLR that comes with not just 1, but 2 kit lenses and costs just under 500 bucks. If you're thinking about getting into photography or filmmaking, this is your best deal yet for an entry-level camera. The second camera on sale is Canon's 80D that comes with an 18 to 135mm kit lens and costs just around $1,300. Canon's latest DSLR gives you an incredible image quality and a wide variety of shooting modes for both pictures and photos. So I can't recommend this camera enough if you're serious about photography and filmmaking. And lastly, we can't use all that camera equipment if we don't have a proper place to store it on the go. Eve Case's DSLR backpack is on sale for $74 and it can hold your lenses, your camera, a full 15-inch laptop, all of your accessories inside it, and it even comes with a rain cover that protects it from water. So that's it. I hope you guys found something that you liked out of these deals. Again, everything that I've talked about today is in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. If you didn't like anything that I talked about today, don't worry. Amazon has a full page dedicated to all of their Black Friday deals that are happening right now, and I've linked that in the description down below. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future content. My name is Alex Chung, and I'll see you later.